Hey everybody, welcome to Journey to Vitality. In this video, we'll explore the 5 confidence tips that completely transformed my life, turning me from a shrinking violet to a fearless go-getter. Did you know that the key to unlocking your full potential might just be a shift in mindset? Imagine transforming your life with simple yet powerful steps that elevate your self-assurance. We're about to explore the 5 confidence tips that changed my life. Strategies that could be the turning point in your journey to unshakable confidence. Tip 5. Shifting focus. The first confidence booster that transformed my life was a simple shift in perspective, focusing on my strengths instead of dwelling on my weaknesses. We all have areas for improvement, but constantly critiquing ourselves can be paralyzing. Instead, I started keeping a list of things I'm good at, big or small. It could be anything from public speaking skills to making a chocolate chip cookie recipe. Revisiting this list became my secret weapon against self-doubt. When a wave of insecurity hit, I'd pull it out. Reminding myself of my strengths wasn't about arrogance, but building a foundation of self-belief. This shift wasn't just about acknowledging existing skills. It also opened the door to cultivating new ones. Instead of focusing on what I couldn't do, I asked myself, what can I learn today? This newfound focus on growth propelled me to take on challenges I previously deemed out of reach. With each new skill acquired, my confidence grew, proving that I was capable of more than I initially thought. The power of shifting focus goes beyond simply feeling good. It creates a positive cycle. By focusing on strengths, we build confidence, which empowers us to take on challenges and develop new abilities. This constant growth further strengthens our confidence, creating a powerful snowball effect that propels us forward. Tip 4. Step outside your comfort zone. Our comfort zone can feel like a haven, a familiar space where everything is predictable. But while it offers a sense of security, it can also stagnate our growth. Stepping outside your comfort zone, despite the initial apprehension, is the key to unlocking new possibilities and personal development. New experiences, even the seemingly small ones, push us beyond our self-imposed limitations. Whether it's trying new food, taking a public speaking class, or striking up a conversation with someone you don't know, these experiences force us to adapt and learn. We develop new skills, gain fresh perspectives, and discover hidden strengths we never knew we possessed. The fear of failure is often the biggest hurdle when venturing outside our comfort zone. But remember, valuable lessons are learned even if things don't go exactly as planned. We learn from our mistakes, build resilience, and gain a newfound appreciation for our successes. The courage to take that first step, even if it leads to a stumble, is a victory in itself. Think of it like this: the more experiences you accumulate, the more comfortable you become. Your confidence grows as you conquer new challenges, and what once felt intimidating becomes familiar and manageable territory. This expanding comfort zone allows you to continuously seek out new experiences, fostering a cycle of growth and self-discovery. Stepping outside your comfort zone isn't about becoming someone you're not. It's about discovering the full potential that already lies within you. Embrace the discomfort, the excitement, and the possibilities that lie beyond your familiar routine. You might just surprise yourself with what you can achieve. Tip 3. Reframing self-talk. Have you ever felt like your inner voice enjoys being a harsh critic? We all experience negative self-talk, that relentless stream of doubts and put-downs that can chip away at our confidence. The good news is that we can learn to challenge these thoughts and reframe them in a more empowering light. The first step is becoming aware of your self-talk. Notice the patterns in your inner dialogue. Are you constantly criticizing your mistakes? Discounting your accomplishments? Once you identify these negative thoughts, challenge their accuracy. Is that missed opportunity truly a sign of failure or a chance to learn and grow? Did that presentation not go perfectly? Focus on the parts you delivered well and celebrate your courage to step outside your comfort zone. Reframing negative thoughts into positive affirmations is a powerful tool. Instead of, "I'll never be good enough," try, "I am capable and I'm always learning." Repeating these positive statements can help rewire your brain to adopt a more confident mindset. Remember, self-compassion is essential. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend facing a similar challenge. By taking control of your self-talk, you can silence the inner critic and unlock the confidence that lies within. Building a strong support system is crucial in overcoming negative self-talk. Surround yourself with positive and encouraging people who will uplift you and help you see your worth. If negative self-talk becomes overwhelming, it's also beneficial to seek professional help. A therapist can provide tools and strategies tailored to your specific needs, guiding you on the path to self-acceptance and confidence. Remember, it's natural to have self-doubts from time to time, but letting them control your life is not. You can cultivate a more positive and empowered mindset by recognizing, challenging, and reframing negative self-talk. Be patient with yourself, practice self-compassion, and celebrate your successes. With time and effort, you can silence the inner critic and unlock the true potential that lies within. Tip 2. Body language matters. For the longest time, I thought confidence was all about what you said. But then I learned the power of nonverbal communication. Imagine walking into a room hunched over, avoiding eye contact, and fiddling with your clothes. Not precisely an aura of confidence, is it? On the other hand, picture yourself standing tall, making eye contact, and offering a genuine smile. This shift in body language can completely change how you feel and perceive. It wasn't easy at first. Consciously adjusting my posture felt awkward, and holding eye contact made me nervous. But the more I practiced, the more natural it became. Interestingly, the change wasn't just external. As I projected confidence through my body, I started feeling it internally too. People responded differently as well. Conversations flowed more easily, and I felt a newfound respect in their interactions with me. Body language isn't just about faking it till you make it. It's about understanding the connection between your physical and mental states. By consciously adjusting your posture and gestures, you can send a powerful message to yourself and the world around you. It's a simple yet effective tool that can profoundly impact your confidence. Tip 1. Celebrate every win. For the longest time, I only allowed myself to celebrate monumental achievements. Landing a dream job and winning a competition were the moments I reserved for celebratory fanfare. But this all-or-nothing approach left me constantly feeling like I was falling short. There were countless minor victories along the way: acing a presentation, finally mastering a new skill, or simply sticking to a new habit for a week. But I dismissed these as insignificant, failing to acknowledge the effort and progress they represented. The shift came when I realized that celebrating these smaller wins wasn't about self-aggrandizement, but about acknowledging my journey. No matter how seemingly trivial, taking a moment to appreciate these accomplishments fueled a powerful momentum. It became a way of reinforcing positive behaviors and reminding myself of my capabilities. Now I find immense joy in celebrating every milestone, big or small. It might be a quiet moment of self-reflection after conquering a tough workout, or a celebratory dinner with friends after a successful project launch. The key is finding ways to acknowledge your progress and savor the satisfaction of accomplishment. This newfound appreciation has become a cornerstone of my confidence, reminding me that every step forward is a victory worth celebrating. In conclusion, the 5 confidence tips that changed my life weren't just helpful hints. They completely overhauled how I approached the world. They allowed me to shed self-doubt and embrace the person I truly am. This newfound confidence has opened doors I never thought possible, from landing my dream job to finally pursuing that passion project I'd shelved for years. The journey to confidence is ongoing, but with these tools in my belt, I'm excited to see what exciting adventures and personal victories await. Those are the 5 confidence tips that completely transformed my life. If you want more awesome content to help you on your journey, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let me know which tip resonated most with you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.